In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Notion. Whether you're managing a project, compiling feedback, or gathering information for your next big idea, forms can make the process a lot more efficient. Imagine having your responses automatically organized in Notion. Well, it's possible, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it in 5 minutes. To start, we'll be using third-party integrations because Notion doesn't currently offer a native form building option. One of the most popular platforms for this purpose is Tally. So we're heading over there to begin. Once you're on tally.so, you'll want to locate the option that says Create Form. Click on it and you'll be taken to a blank form template where you can start crafting the questions you need. Think about what information is essential and how best to structure these questions for clarity and ease of response. Remember, your goal is to make it straightforward for the people filling out the form, so keep it concise and relevant. After you've added all your questions and are satisfied with your form's layout, it's time to integrate it with Notion. TallySo offers several integrations, and Notion is one you'll find listed under Integrations. By selecting Notion, you'll be able to connect your form responses directly to a database in Notion. This step is crucial because it's how your data gets where you need it in Notion. Next, choose the Notion database where you want the form responses to be sent. If you need to create a new database for the responses, be sure to do so before this step. Check that the data types in your form match those in your Notion database to smooth the integration process. With that done, TallySo provides you with an embed link for the form. Copy this link as it's what will connect your Tally form to your Notion page. Now, we'll head over to Notion. Open the page where you want the form to live and type Embed. This command brings up an option for embedding links. Once you have that, paste the copied link into the provided field and then press Enter. Voila! Your form is now embedded within your Notion page. With everything set up, give your form a test run. This allows you to ensure that responses are recorded in your chosen Notion database correctly. By following these steps, you can create a seamless system for collecting and organizing data in Notion via forms. That's it. You've now learned how to harness the power of Tally. So to create effective forms for data collection in Notion, this integration can simplify your workflow and keep your projects streamlined. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.